Hi there. Peace Plus will be a new North-South cooperation programme which will combine the existing Peace and Interreg EU funding strands into one cohesive cross-border programme. There is €1 billion in funding available for Peace Plus between 2021 and 2027, a very significant investment focusing on projects that deliver peace and prosperity in Northern Ireland and the border counties of Donegal, Sligo, Leitrim, Cavan, Monaghan and Louth. This programme can have a genuine impact on cross-border relations and a long-term legacy on communities both north and south of the border. It is being led by the Special EU Programmes Body, a North-South implementation body. A draft programme framework which identifies key thematic areas of cross-border activity for Peace Plus has been developed from consultation with all of the key stakeholders. This is shortly moving to public consultation, and when it does, please be sure to make your voice heard. This programme and fund is available to help build relations and improve cooperation in a meaningful way for communities in Northern Ireland and the border regions. Your input is needed to ensure it achieves those objectives. Thank you very much.